Alright, in this problem, number 4 says, after 1 minute, a file, tortilla, is downloading from the internet, is 0 kilobytes downloaded. And then after 2 minutes, the file is at 3 kilobytes downloaded. And after 3 minutes, the file is at 8 kilobytes downloaded. After 4 minutes, the file is at 15 kilobytes downloaded. Write an expression to model the amount of file downloaded and explain your reason. So in number 4, I don't have a table of values, so I'm going to make a table of values. Here on the x-axis, I'll have time measured in minutes, Dora. And this side, I'll have downloaded information measured in kilobytes. So, after 1 minute, how much is downloaded? 0. So the internet's not working, right? How about after 2 minutes? 3 kilobytes. After 3 minutes? And after 4 minutes? 15. So basically, I'm trying to think of what's happening here, right? Which one of these, linear, quadratic, or exponential, or it could even be neither? Well, from the table of values we've been talking about, can I figure out a common difference? Class, how do I go from 0 to 3? Here? Here. Class, do we have a first common difference? No. Let's see if we can get a second one. Here to here? Plus 2. From here to here? Plus 2. Well, I do have a second common difference. I have a second common difference because it's the same number. Because I have a second common difference, then I have quadratic. Okay? Now, although I know it's quadratic, it tells me to write an expression. Again, we know it's quadratic because you have a second common difference. We learned in here, how do you find the a value? By taking the second common difference and divide it by 2. What's our common difference, class? So our a value is going to be 2 divided by 2, which is 1. And then your c value in this problem is just your 0, comma, a number. So we have so if n is your time, then your expression is going to be n squared minus 1. Let's take a look at that. Let's see if this works. 2 squared is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. If I take 3, square this number, and you subtract it, 8. And it keeps working, doesn't it? And we talked about yesterday how writing these expressions will actually be the most difficult part. Okay? So what gives you a hint is, well, we know from our table of values it's a second common difference. It's going to be quadratic. If it's quadratic, that means it's going to be the power of 2. At least gives you a hint of where to start from. Okay?